All right, you guys, welcome back to another video. I am Latersa. In this channel, we talk all about self-care, hygiene, and life advice. But today, we are going shopping at Walgreens. The deal is back on, you guys. Arm & Hammer, $1.99, the scent boosters, and the detergent. So, you know, your girl got to rack up because the last haul that I got back in July, it lasted me. I just finished my last bottle. So, I'm going to stack up so I won't have to get detergent and all that good stuff. So if you want to come along with me, come on. All right, you guys, I'm finna head on in here and see if I can have a lucky day. We'll see. Because, boy, wait a minute. Wait up 1 minute. Look at this shelf. Look at this shelf. Lord bless my soul. Well, you guys, that was a fail. I done been to 3 stores, you guys, and they are all out of the $1.99 Arm & Hammer. I'm sad about it. I'm gonna try again when I get off work, but I gotta go to work now, so I'll keep you guys posted later on. All right, you guys, so listen, let me just tell y'all a story. I've been on the hunt for these Arm & Hammer detergents, but this was all I could get. Hold on. All right, you guys, so this is all I could snag was these 3 little bottles right here, and this one. That's all I could get. But here's the kicker. I did all that run. I went to like 4 stores. 2 on the other day when you see early clips. 2 on the other day, and then I went to 2 today. So come to find out, because I was going to get the sensitive bottles, because that's all was left. Because, you know, don't nobody use the sensitive one. Because my favorite is the one with the OxyClean in it. So, or the metal one, but they didn't have those. But anyway, she said, you know, we can do rain checks. I said, oh shoot. So I want 6. She was really nice enough to give me 6 on my rain check, but you really supposed to only get 4. But she was like, I'll give you 6. And she was like, you got 60 days to use your rain check to get it. So that's sometime in October. So guess what your girl gonna do tomorrow? Because this is Thursday. So tomorrow I'll probably get up, take my kiddos to school, fix me a little breakfast, and I'm gonna hit up 2 more stores, but I'm gonna do 2 more rain checks, because y'all know this is my favorite detergent of all times. And then I was able to get 1 scent booster, only 1, so that's all I could do, you guys. But I'm gonna show you my haul, my little quick grocery haul, and my haul that I got from Walgreens. And then I don't know if that's gonna be the end of this vlog, I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm gonna show you my haul. All right, so this is my haul from Walmart. I got bacon. We needed some more eggs. Of course, you know I needed my smoothie. So anytime I can stock up, I always get some more smoothies, because they run out so quick, you guys. So I'm trying to put this up as I go. And then I'm in the mood for some mac and cheese. So I got my mac and cheese. I already had some noodles, so I'm gonna do that. We needed some butter, some mustard. I'm gonna make some baked beans. And because I'm trying to increase my iron level, I got me some turnip greens, because they say a lot of greens is good. My son wanted these little Italian ice bars. Got milk, onions, Lunchables for the kiddos. Got me some chips. And of course my sweet tooth, because Mother Nature is right around the corner. Got my favorites. And that's all for that. And then of course, you know, when you go grocery shopping, I'm not cooking, so I had got me some KFC. So I'm gonna finish eating that, and then I'm gonna put this up and I'll show you the Walgreens haul. All right, so this is what I got from Walgreens. They had these on sale 2 for $6, but I didn't get the 2 because you can get $3 rewards back, but I didn't do this one. But I did use the coupon that had, if you spend $22, you get $5 rewards back. So my total was like 24. So I got $5 rewards back for that. But I had a $1 off coupon for this as well, making it, no, $2 off. So making it $1.99. Got that. These were 2 for $6, but I had $1.25 off coupon. So Y'all know how I feel about wipes, so got that. And then of course we needed tissue and paper towels. Can't go wrong with paper towels in this house, because I use paper towels like crazy. And then they had my soap 2 for $5, so I got that. And then of course I had 25 cents off the Palmolive, so I got 2 of these, so I should be good to go for a while. But all right, guys, so y'all know when I'm cooking, I'm always multitasking, so I'm just starting to load the clothes here, and then I'm gonna pretty much let the music play for you guys. This is just a little motivation to get you in the cleaning mood, cooking mood, whatever you want to call it. So just sit back and enjoy the music, and I will see you guys towards the end.
Let me cater to you. 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 Baby, I see you working hard. Wanna let you know I'm proud. Let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you. My life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you, you inspire me to be better. Challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, 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 baby. Let me cater to you. 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 Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna get ready to cook. So I got these little flats and drumettes from Walmart. Trying some new cornbread out, so I see y'all like it. For my mac and cheese. Y'all comment below and let me know if y'all get in the mood for a good soul food meal. But yeah, these are just all the ingredients that I'll be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping my noodles.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all fix y'all homemade mac and cheese. But this is something I've been doing for years. And I think what happened, I picked up the big thing of the other kind of cheese instead of the sharp cheddar. But nonetheless, we're going to make it do what it do, honey.
Let me cater to you. 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 Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Baby, 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 baby.
I found this recipe off TikTok using the mustard and stuff. I've been using the other stuff for years, but I wanted to try it and see how it's gonna make my wings taste. Y'all know TikTok be having me cooking all kind of stuff.
Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you.
Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah. Aaliyah.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was missing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. And then she wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I would want to kick it with you. And if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, she would probably leave you alone. She would probably curse you out and unplug her phone. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She's crazy to put up with you, but I won't be no fool. Like what you see, it ain't easy to get with me, baby. But it's done to put up with you. I won't be no fool. Like what you see, it ain't easy to get with me. She will probably leave you alone. She will probably curse you out and unplug her phone. I bet she'd be glad that you was gone. And then she wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew.
What you saying? 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 What you saying?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying? 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 What you saying?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying? 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 What you saying?
If your girl only knew.
What you saying? 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 What you saying?
All right, you guys, I am about to murder this plate. I just wanted you guys to see what the finished product looked like. And yes, I'm about to tear this food up. And when I tell you it was so good to my tummy, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Be sure to subscribe, become a part of the Sunshine family. Like this video, share this with your peeps. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.